Hello guys, I'm here to have an important message with you guys. I've known not to be posting for a while, but sometimes they be posting daily. And I know I'm really not good at that, but sometimes I'm traveling places to places and I don't have enough time to record, so this time was actually a good reason because I was actually on a cruise ship on the Carnival Paradise, as you saw in the video I posted recently. And I did not have Wi-Fi, so I could not post on TikTok or anything like that. So I hope this vlog makes up for it, and enjoy the video.